How y'all doing? Yeah, it's Cliff again. I'm back working on the 68 Mustang, and I got to go underneath the car and get it clean enough where I can start undercoating everything and just take a look-see around, see what I got to do. Alright, so let me give you a look-see. For you guys out there that are trying to make a hot ride and you got a Ford rear end and you just don't think it's quite tough enough, here's an idea for you. If you let it sit over the winter, I think the critters around will strengthen it right up for you. Let me give you a look-see. There you go. Now, that added a lot of strength to the rear right there. You don't need to weld a bunch of stuff on it. Just let the mud daubers get a hold of it, and they'll fix you right up. Oh, it's just great, isn't it? Just think of what every hole in the car they get into. That's pretty sad. Oh man, so I got to clean all this mess up. And she's pretty nasty. I just got through cutting the exhaust out of it. Even the exhaust has got mud daubers on it, and then the whole bottom is gone out of the muffler, and they're all up inside the muffler. So I got to go clean all this stuff up and make it look like a car again. It's pretty bad, but it's going to be good when I get through with it. At least it'll be shiny. You know what they say, chrome will get you home. I think that was how it was done. Alright guys. I just wanted to make a quick video, show you how much fun I have all the time. I love working on old cars, laying down on the floor in the dirt. Goodie for me. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later. Short and sweet. Bye.